Hi, George again from Digital High Road. Today we're going to talk about the first if. The first if of the 5 ifs was going to be if you can get out of your own way. And that is probably the hardest if any of you will have to face. What do I mean by that? Well, what I mean by that is if you can get over your habits, if you can get over your stinking thinking. What I mean by that is if you have had any success in life, you know what it takes to win. But most of us experience what we call an abundance of failure in our lives. If we have abundance of failure, we know 50 ways to fail. We know how we let ourselves down. We know ourselves better than anyone else. We know ourselves better than our wife knows us, our husband knows us. We know ourselves better than our parents knew us or know us. And the thing is, you have to learn to put yourself and your ego aside. You have to go where it takes you, where the training takes you. If you're good at things, it'll be great. If you're bad at things, or if you're uncomfortable, or if you're really out of your element with things, it's going to be hard for you to continue because you're going to wake up some days are going to be better than others for you. You know, like yesterday I was pretty tired, but today I feel energized. I had a good night's sleep. You probably have experienced the same thing. The thing is, you need to get out of yourself and push yourself aside and get down to what really matters for you. Realize that your dream is worth going after. Realize that the effort you put in is worth it. But it's a very big if, because you have to believe in something to move towards something to get the success you want. And I hope this made some sense. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Hit the bell icon to get a notification of any new videos I'm going to publish. But the first if in the series of 5 I'm going to be doing is if you can get out of your own way. And it's basically get over yourself, basically. Move out, be confident in what you do, and realize that you too can have the success that you're looking for. But you have to go out and get it. You have to do the work for it. You have to have the belief. You have to be able to get through the garbage that life's gonna throw at you, whether it be sickness, whether it be pains, whether it be losing your job, whether it be COVID-19, whether it be, whatever it is, a death in the family, God forbid. But whatever it is, overcome. Maybe you have physical handicaps. Overcoming anything that you have as a shortcoming, make it a reason for overcoming. So thank you for watching today. We appreciate it. Like the video if you got something out of it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and as I said, hit the bell icon so you get notified. And if you really are seriously looking for a way to break out of the doldrums and make this thing work for you, then hit down in the link down in the description below. There's a link down there. It'll take you to a training program that is free, and we hope that'll help you towards your success in your dreams. So over and out in Colorado Springs. Farewell.